Lairil channel thilthleng chibai ule Mipa hian pawngsual kan tok ve theim Mipa hi Hmeichhia lo pawngsual se Mipa hi Mipa vekin lo pawngsual se engdan hmangin nge hrem an ni anga hremna dan omem ti kan lo thlir ho don ani kumsang ni le som panga khan Uttar Pradesh thilmak tak mai a thlenga nopang kumsom mi chu an teacherin pawngsual tumin alo bei ani chu nopang chu Mipa ania ti chuan nopang nu le pa te chuan police nena FIR an theluta IPC section 377 unnatural offence kan ti hmangin le IPC section 511 attempt to commit an offence hmangin case zialu ani veterinarian nula Hyderabad pawngsual ni in rong taka tha ani ti thu kan hria ti chuan Uttar Pradesh po mi cheno pang chu rong taka pawngsual ni in halhlum ani
Suspected rape and murder of a 26-year-old veterinary doctor who was returned the last phone call made by this veterinarian doctor that suggests that she was alone there and she was feeling scared and that there were some lorry drivers around. Locals reported a body about 27 kilometers away from this spot, completely charred. The sister of this girl went and identified the body with the help of a scarf.
hianin rampum angonga kanram ro rel na insang ber parliament po nasatakin atibuai ani
I think it's time, whether it's Nirbhaya, whether it's Kathua, or whether whatever happened in Hyderabad, I think the people now want the government to give a proper answer and a very definite answer. What has happened, how they have tackled it, and how far the justice has been done to these people. Do you not think that they should be answered?
chu pawngsual thom chuan rampum angonga ramchung kilti na trangin norna nasatak huai hot chunjam ani tin pawngsual tok tu ten antik na le chanwo an nei theih nan te le pawngsual athlena chu thil thalawa in ham hnoi tu te chunga hremna lek ani ngei theina turin dan thatak siam ani theina turin norna ana se mai ani pawngsual hi dan bo chiatna nasatak ani ti in Indian Penal Code 1860 khan tarlang ani mumal taka dan kan nei tran theina kha British sarkar ina aduan Charter Act 1833 kha ani hemizul zui hian Law Commission masaber Lord Macaulay kai hroina hnuaia din ani a Law Commissioners ho khan criminal law kan ti hi thuang nia then ani theinan ruam hanna an siama apakhatna chuan Indian Penal Code IPC kan ti hi ani a tin apanina chuan Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC kan ti hi ani CRPC hi kumsang khan zariat sumuk pakhata duan ni in hemi zulzui hian criminal code po kan lo nei thei phata ani pawngsual chungchang hi Indian Penal Code engtin nge tarlan ani ti thirsun zom zelila IPC section 375 hian Hmeichhia ti na lalowa Mipa in kha Hmeichhia kha Mipa Hmeichhia na ahman pui khan dana bo chia ani ti tarlan ania tin hrem thei ani thu atarlang bok ani
But where is the reaction on this girl? Where is the reaction on Kuldeep Singh Sengar? Where is the reaction on why Kuldeep Singh Sengar has not been expelled from the party? The BJP is saying he was suspended. I have covered this case for a year. My bureau chief here, Kamal, has covered this case for a year. We don't remember any letters coming through from the BJP that said that Sengar was suspended. Where is this suspension letter? When was he suspended? Why is he not being expelled? Will we get those answers, or will we get only posturing? I guess that's the question.
pawngsualtute hian Mipa in Hmeichhia ti na la sin Hmeichhia ti na anei theinan khan ti nat emaw thi na thilthleng Hmeichhia kha avo awanga mipat hmeichhia na avaman pui po kha ahuam ani entir nan ma enga khan ruati kha mipat hmeichhia na man pui atuma ruati khan arem ti lo chuan ma enga khan ruati kha ti nat emaw thina thilthlengin avota a chuta chuan ruati chuan alo hlauta ema ma enga du dan chuan mipat hmeichhia na man chu ruati chuan alo rem ti ta ani heta hian ma enga kha hrem theih ani Hmeichhia kha kum somparet linglo ani chuan Hmeichhia khan arem ti emaw rem ti lo po ni se Mipa in mipat hmeichhia na kum tlinglo hmeichhia kha man pui chuan pawngsual ti a chiar tho ani entir nan remi kha kum somparet linglo ania abial pa nen lo mudunin mipat hmeichhia na a lo in nam hnoi sela hi pawngsual tling ania abial pa kha hrem theih ani ama ero chu Nupa inkarah thu ania nupui kha kum sompanga chunglam ani chuan Nupa inkarah mipat hmeichhia na lam hoi zonga an khosakna kha pawngsual anga ngai ani lowang IPC section 376 hian pawngsuala innam noina neite hremna rawn tarlanga kumsari atanga dam chung lung in tan theina ani kumsang khat ziret somruk atanga thiara kumsang khat zakwa somsari pani inkar chung zongin pawngsual chungchanga hremna dan hi ti danglam emaw thlak danglam ani ngai lo ani Mathura custodial rape case 1972 hi han bi chiang don ila March ni somni paruk kumsang khat zakwa somsari pani khan Adivasi Hmeichhia tribal Hmeichhia lano pangtak aming Mathura ti aphu atak chu Desaiganj police station Maharashtra police in pawngsuala pawngsual thubuai ngai tu ana session court chuan kha thilthleng kha pawngsual ti atling ani lowa meichhe no pangkha mipat hmeichhia na lama sang ema mipat hmeichhia na lam thil hi angaina in azong chang thil tak ani ti in thuchu asiam ani police te chu achu azalen ta ani ama ero chu thubuai kha high court a thleng chhole in high court chuan police te kha thiamlo achantir le ta ani September ni sompanga kumsang khat zakwa somsari pariata Supreme Court chuan High Court thutluk na chu angai tu athale a kha thilthleng kha pawngsual ti atling ani lowa meiche taksa khan hliam reng mutura om lowa mipat meichhia na man kha rem an titlang ni a alan awang le an du dan enge a khosa an ni ti in thutluk na asiam le ta ani Supreme Court thutluk na chu rampuma dem alo ema pawngsuala innam hnoite hremna chu thlak danglama hremna na jok pek an ni theih nan norna anasate mai ani tichuan the Criminal Law Second Amendment Act 1983 chu sarkarin alo duang chhuak ta a tichuan the Indian Evidence Act 1872 a section 114A chu bel alo ni ta a Section 114A a hian kota pawngsual thubuai ngai tu ani in thubuai ngai tu atu te ma a pawngsual tok tu hmeichhia khan arem ti na tel lovin mipat hmeichhia na manpui ani thu apuan chuan court chuan hmeichhia in a in puan na chu apompui lai lok tur ani ti tarlan ani IPC section 228A po bel ani a pawngsual tok te mingle ni na puanzar hi khaptlat ani a hrem theih ani kandan omte hi mipa le hmeichhia thliar hrang lo dan ani em kumsang ni le sompariat October thla khan NGO Criminal Justice Society of India chuan Supreme Court a PIL thelutin chuta chuan IPC section 375 hi dan pia lama chetna ania mipa le hmeichhia athliar hranga chuwangin kan constitution a article 14 rights to equality article 16 prohibition of discrimination le article 21 rights to life and personal liberty te hi apal zutni in an ngai ani he petition a hian mipa le transgender ten pawngsual an to changa an dikna chanvo an hmu'a dan hnuaya inhumhimna an nei ve ngei theinan malak andua he petition hi September thla kumsang ni le som pariata Supreme Court in IPC section 377 chunga thu om then khatte apai bautak zulzuya thelu ani.
You know, what do you suggest girls and boys should go and read up about these things, because it's easily available. You just Google section 375 and it's all there, exactly point by point. It's important to know these things for the youngsters out there, everyone.
I really do think it is important, because any law that is based written out of kindness, or the context of India is that we have a imbalanced gender ratio, we have problems of other kinds of problems of violence against women, like acid attacks, feticide. So when you know the context, the laws are sort of they try to be kinder to the female sex. So when that happens, this law also is prone to be misused, and both things are true. It is true that rapes are very highly underreported in our country.
Law Commission of India report voiza somsari le panina kumsang ni ami in tarlan dan chuan pawngsual rape kan ti hi mipa le hmeichhia thliar lowa pawngsual rape ti aya emaw ti burban zonga beina sexual assault ti ada arota kumsang ni le som pania Union Cabinet chuan the Criminal Law Amendment Bill 2012 hmangin pawngsual ti hi mipa emaw hmeichhia thliar lowa pawngsual rape ti chu sexual assault emaw ti burban zonga beina ti a thlak ani theinan rotna asiam vele ani ama ero chu the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 hian pawngsual rape ti hi ronsoizau ma se PIL manga rotna aron tarlan IPC section 375 a mipa le transgender titan kong ahon sakta chuang lo ani. India rama hian rape law pawngsuala innam hnoite hremna dan kan en chuan mipa chau hi pawngsuala innam hnoya hrem theih ni in alalanga mipa te hi pawngsual tok thei lo le hmeichhia te hi pawngsual tu emaw heng thila innam hnoi ve ngai lo tura da ni in alalang ri ani.
How men and transgenders have been devoid of any legal remedies when it comes to sexual violence on them. But then the court said that though the gender neutral, though the rape law should be gender neutral, it cannot intervene into the process, and it has to be done by the parliament.
Kumsang ni le som pani a Delhi gang rape, Nirbhaya gang rape, atlen khan the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 duan chua ani a. Heta hian pawngsual ti hi soizau ni in huam chin po ti zau ani a. Tin hremna po na tok tak duan ani. He thilthleng awang hian JS Verma Committee chu malatu atan ruat ani a. Pawngsual tok te tha emaw khwa le tui lei lowa siam an ni chuan pawngsuala innam hnoi te po thilthlenga hrem theina dan siam ani bok ani.
We are really speechless about what happened with the girl.
Her brutal gang rape in Delhi on December 16 has shaken India and triggered an unprecedented outpouring of grief and anger.
हमारे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक रेपिस्ट के ऊपर कब होंगे? करते हैं रेप, करके भाग जाते हैं, पूरा जुडिशियरी सिस्टम चलता रहता है, 4-4, 5-5 साल हो जाते हैं, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
पता है वो कितना परेशान है. हम अपने घर से इतने दूर है. कब तक ये चलेगा? कब तक?
IPC section 354 a hian zamo rongkaya meichhia wa chainom na te pornography lam hoi mu thei thil meichhia na du lo chunga wa mu lui te hi hrem thei ani ti aron tarlang tel bok ani. Mipa tu po meichhia sarwak emaw ke korte le kor nuai nen chowa a omlaya lo bi thlak emaw thla lo lak sak emaw hi voyeurism ti ani a. Chutiang thila innam hnoi te chu kumthum atanga kumsari thleng lungin tan tir thei le poisa choi tir thei anni. Meichhe zui ruk te minharin min du lo ani ti hreng chunga zui tral meite internet de phone manga zer boy reng mei te hi stalking ti ania heng thila in nam hnoi te chu kumthum atanga kumnga thleng lung in tan tir thei ni in poisa choi tir thei an ni bok kum sang ni le som pariat khan me cheno pang kumriat mi chu kathua jamuen kashmira gang rape ahu howa pawngsual ani a tha ani thu kan hria anga rampuma he thilthleng du lo na lantir na anasa me ani chuta chuan the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018 chu duan chu ale ani a heta hian me cheno pang kumsom pani nuai lam pawngsual ani chuan pawngsuala in nam hnoi te kha thilthlenga hrem theih ani a kumsom paruk nuai lam me cheno pang pawngsual ani in pawngsuala in nam hnoi te kha atlem bera kumsom ni lung in tan emaw damchung lung in tan tir theih ani
मीडिया ने क्लियर करके दिखाया वो सब गलत है we are just being victim not accused
A member said they want justice for the Kathua rape victim.
कैंडल मार्च उस बच्ची को होमेज पे करने के लिए है कि जो डिपार्टेड सोल है उसको शांति मिले.
Reaction coming in from the victim's
The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 Zulzuya Duan, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 to and nonas yam that chauzel ania me cheno pang kumtling loten pawngsual antoa pawngsuala in nam hnoi te hremna dan khau jok chu duan zel ania The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Amendment Act 2019 chu tuna kan man mek hi ani
उसके चिल्लाने से आप घर पे आए थे क्या?
नहीं, उसकी मम्मी गई मेरे पास डायरेक्ट.
kan rama dan omte kan en chuan pawngsual tok thei tu anga ngai hi Hmeichhia te chau anlani ria Mipa hian pawngsual lo tok ta se Mipa no pang kumtling lo hian pawngsual lo tok ve ta bok sela tuna kan rawn tarlan hremna hrang te hi man arem chang ve don lo ani kan rawn tarlan tak IPC section 377 le 511 te hi arem chang ber tur chu ani a heng lo po hremna dang ala omang ma se Hmeichhia in pawngsual an to a pawngsuala in nam hnoi te hremna na tak pek an ni ang hi Mipa pawngsual an ni a pawngsuala in nam hnoi te hremnan chuan heng dan hi man arem chang ve don lo ani ole khatizong kha tun chuma karon talan thei te chu ani a kan channel te minlo tut saka minlo like saka minlo subscribe sak zel tu chewin som ha le bok cheu hello me